Alrighty, good morning everyone. It's Easter Sunday, happy Easter. This past Friday I sprayed the epoxy primer on the underside of the pans, and I'm just doing a little seam sealer right now, and once that's done I'm going to go ahead and spray it with the undercoating, Raptor liner. I'll be back. Okay, here it is after the first coat of Raptor liner. Just letting it flash off so I can do a second coat. And I got the second coat on. It's almost dry, and then I can flip it over. Once it's really fully dried, I will be able to start the assembly, which will be nice. And that's it for today. Alright, I flipped the pan back over, had the undercoating on the back half here, black on the pan, and then here's the head. Looks pretty good. Now I can start assembling. Alright, good morning. It's Friday the 17th. I am starting to assemble the pan. Alright, end of day one. This is Friday. Got the rear suspension all hooked up. Just have to hook up the emergency brake cables. Need to hook them up to there. You can see I got all that run. I got all the fuel lines and brake lines run through the tunnel now. I have an extra line there in case I do fuel injection at some point. And hopefully tomorrow I'll get the front suspension on also. That's it. Looks like a tornado hit it. Alright, it's Saturday afternoon, and I got everything back together. A couple things I need to tweak. Still working on the emergency brake cables. I have them trimmed to length, but I need to adjust them. And basically have a rolling chassis again. I believe that'll be it for this weekend. The only thing I haven't added was the transmission. I'm just going to keep that off for now until the engine is ready to come up from the basement. Have a good weekend.